I just got this huge box from NuGo, and we're going to be doing a little unboxing. And NuGo is one of my favorite protein bar brands because the bars are all natural, and also the flavors are just delicious. My favorite is the dark chocolate pretzel. It is amazing. It has like sea salt on the top. And my family also likes the dark chocolate peanut butter. This is like probably in my top 3. And then I got a new one to try, which was the chocolate banana. The macros for this are 190 calories, I think 13 grams of protein. But it's all natural, no artificial sweeteners, so very good for your gut.